There's Tabors woodworking. Wood stuff. Polar Express. The plow on it. Cab overs. That's so cool. That's some fat tires on that monster truck.
It's a ram too.
Yeah, it is. I like it. That's the original Twisters movie.
Okay.
I have a sawmill, so I cut and dry my own wood and make tools.
That's neat.
Trucks that you see people do.
He's got a few of your toys.
Oh, okay, good deal.
Yeah.
He has a YouTube channel. He records all the practice videos.
Oh,
Look at that. That's cool.
Yeah. Put your little rollback.
Yeah, that's neat.